Hello viewers, welcome to the D4 Guns YouTube channel. This is a channel where we take a closer look at some of the firearms that come into our inventory, particularly rare and desirable firearms. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Mosin Nagant PU, so a sniper variant of the famous Mosin Nagant, used by Russian snipers to devastating effect on the Eastern Front. This is one that we have in our inventory currently. Taking a closer look. So, this rifle is in excellent condition. There are some small marks, but other than that, for a rifle such as this, it's in immaculate condition. There's some rubbing up here at the top and minor scratches, but all the way down to the barrel, this thing is in excellent condition, including the scope and scope mount. All of the serial numbers are matching, and photos can be seen on our website. Now, the Mosin Nagant PU was used by the Russian Red Army soldiers on the Eastern Front. Snipers were popular in the Red Army and often seen as great heroes for the Russian nation. We've got marks and stamps all over this rifle. If you ever want to see this rifle used in action in a movie, a great movie to see is The Enemy at the Gates with Jude Law, and he plays Vasily Zaitsev, a famous Russian sniper at Stalingrad and hero, who used a Mosin Nagant PU just like this one, getting hundreds of German kills during the war. If you have any questions about this rifle, you're more than welcome to go to our website and take a look. Now, we take closer looks at all kinds of rifles just like this one, so if you want to see more of our content and more firearms when they are going up on our website, go ahead and like and subscribe. That way you're up to date on everything that is entering into our inventory.